SHOT Show 2024. I am with Josh at Trijicon right now, and I am super excited about this product that we've got right here. This is a Trijicon 1-10 optic.
Yep.
So let's just quickly go through the features on this, Josh. You're the man that knows about this, so tell us how this came to be.
Yeah, absolutely. So, you know, we've had the Credo 1-8 for several years now, been one of our best-selling scopes, amazing scope, but there's certainly been some demand out there for a 1-10. So what we've done is taken a lot of the great features that people love in the 1-8 and put that into a 1-10. So you've got a first focal plane reticle, and it's an awesome reticle. It's got a really nice segmented circle illumination at the 1 power, and then as you zoom in to the 10, you're having a nice fine crosshair. It's got both red and green illumination in there. You choose between, which is really nice. Yeah, depending on what kind of your backdrop is. It's got the 34mm tube, just like the 1-8, which is great. It gives you up to 100 MOA of travel in there, which is awesome. It's got 0-stop adjuster in it as well. So, you know, it's got a lot of the features that people are really looking for in a 1-10 and a nice compact package. So you're looking at a 21 ounces, about 10 inches in overall length, so really compact, even smaller, honestly, than our 1-8, which is pretty amazing. We made a few little design adjustments in it, but you're still getting just an awesome scope and a compact package.
Yeah, so guys, my impressions of this, the turrets are very tactile. You can feel them good. Having a 0-stop is awesome. There's an off in between each of the illumination settings. And I'm looking in here, and this is like burn your eye bright illumination. And the reticle, as you were told, is fantastic, all the way down on 1 power. And on a lot of first focal plane scopes, it's hard to see the reticle sometimes. This is like perfect for that. And then you zoom in, and all the heavy stuff you were seeing at 1 power is gone. Basically, it's out on the outside edges, and you have very fine aiming points. So you're going to be able to reach out with this if you need to, or use it for close-up. This would be great for dangerous game, hunting, ARs, tactical. I mean, honestly, this is going to fill a lot of roles. Yeah. I'm super excited. And look, 10 inches. I mean, look at this. This is how long it is. It's super short. It'd be great for clip-ons, thermals, night vision, whatever you want to do. It's not going to be clear out here on your handguard. I'm stoked about this. When is this going to be available?
It is available right now.
Okay, so you guys can go check this out. A lot of dealers on GunsAmerica should have these in stock. Shipping now. What's the price point?
Around $2,200 is the MSRP. So you're going to find it at some of the dealers for probably a little bit below that, but that's MSRP.
So MSRP $2,200. That's not mapped, so you can squeeze your dealer a little bit. The other impression I have is on 1 power. This has a great field of view. I think the spec is something like 116 feet at a 1 power, which is really wide. Allows you to keep both eyes open and see. In fact, I can see from about, you see where my finger shows up, I can see my finger at this point on the handguard through the scope. So I mean, it is really, really wide in here. It looks really flat. Great looking optic.
Thanks, man. Yeah, we're super excited about it.
So good. All right, so people can go to your website for more information.
Yeah, Trijicon.com. You got a link out to our dealers as well as all the specs on the product.
Okay, guys, we appreciate you watching. We have a lot of other SHOT Show content coming, so make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Tell us if you're excited about this new Trijicon, and we'll see you on the next video.